The Innovate Journey. Innovate is a journey that starts with human-centered research, leading you towards a design brief and ending in a creative and useful idea. There are 3 stages you will be part of. Collect. Discover the real question that needs answering. Meet people. Explore new places. Investigate and notice the unfamiliar. Uncover and collect everything you need to know. Use your research to find the question you want your design to answer. Make. Once you've identified your design question, you know what problem you want to solve. Start making, prototyping, exploring, failing, and learning. Iterate. Take your ideas out into the world to see what works, what doesn't, and why. Get things wrong and enjoy it. Get things right and learn from it. Share. You have an idea you know might work, so tell the story. Visualize it. Build it if you want. Show how it works with people. Storyboard. Share why it is the best possible answer to your question. Enjoy bringing your thinking to life. Share your idea and become an innovator.